Well, breaking news coming in at this point. The US Supreme Court is going to hear arguments next month over the constitutionality of the federal law that could ban TikTok in the United States if its Chinese parent company doesn't sell it. The justices will hear the arguments on the 10th of January about whether the law impermissibly restricts the speech in violation of the First Amendment. This law, remember, it was enacted in April, set a Jan 19 deadline for TikTok in order to be sold or else face a ban in the United States. The popular social media platform, remember, has more than 170 million users in the United States. And my colleague Disha Bakshi joins us to get us more on this. Disha, the big question at this point is, how do you think the US court will balance, the need to protect national security and with it the need to protect freedom of speech when it comes to that?
Yes, Osama, so that is the big question indeed in the minds of the people in the US, as well as this case has been going on over the past year where the TikTok's Chinese parent company ByteDance has been trying to, halt this ban on TikTok and has been repeatedly trying to halt arguments regarding this federal law. Now, as you mentioned, the US Supreme Court will indeed hear arguments regarding this case on the 10th of January next year. And this is a crucial moment because it will come just 10 days before the January 19th ban is supposed to take place and could affect over 100 million Americans, including many who have indeed made their career on the social media platform. Now, why is the US looking at banning TikTok? Now, TikTok, as I mentioned, is owned by the Chinese parent company ByteDance, and US has been insisting and demanding that the company divest itself from this from TikTok, as the US believes that the fact that this Chinese company has access to the data of millions of Americans is indeed a national security threat, and which is why the US is planning to take this move and is planning to pass this law and ban TikTok in the US. Now, to contextualize this, in India, TikTok was banned due to similar concerns back in 2020, when ties between India and China was strained, and India felt that TikTok was indeed a security concern for India. So India has already banned the social media platform. It is yet to be seen whether the US takes a similar move. But the fact that the US Supreme Court has now revealed a date for the hearing of the arguments in this to see whether this law is passed is crucial, and it's an important development.